bought milk. When you bought this milk?
I just bought that milk. I don't know. Anyways, house looks a complete disaster right now, but don't worry, we're about to fix it. We had to go grocery shopping first. And so, yeah, this is some of the stuff that we got. Just showing. Shrimp. I don't know why he got these huge ones. Probably because he's greedy. But I guess I'm mixing some shrimp with that. Hella gravy packets. Like, we don't know how to make gravy from scratch. But yeah. Our favorite popsicles. Taco seasoning, so we do tacos every Tuesday. I don't have to tell y'all what this stuff is for. You can kind of guess. Jamaican beef patties, Jamaican patties. Steak and eggs. Oh, we should go ahead and marinate this tonight for tomorrow.
What I do on the steak?
Kids is home. So we just got this stuff. So this popped open. Cod. And we got 3 of those. One of these this is for French toast. This is for regular sandwiches. Our eggs. Yep. Wild tuna. Cranberry juice. It was supposed to be 100% cranberry. I don't know what they did. Some shredded lettuce. Flounder. Ketchup. More of this. My kids' favorite. This was supposed to be the wild caught. I guess it says that. I feel like this is still one of the farmed ones, but I don't know. This got been in there. And then we got, I already put the snacks away. We're taking out old stuff, putting in new stuff, so don't judge us. And then we're cleaning. Look at all of the cheeses down there. Those fruits been down there. Oh, real life moment. Oh, we love these. I love these. And these are so good. I'm about to drink this one before we go walking. And even though we just bought eggs because there's so many of us in the house. And like I said, I know this looks disgusting, but I can assure you it looks disgusting because we've had a party recently. We have had several events, and food has just been shuffling in and out. And then finally, I decided to go grocery shopping because the kids are out of school. Me and Anthony are on vacation, and we need food. So we're gonna take all of this out. We're gonna clean it. We're gonna put everything back. But yeah. We have shrimp. See, this is what happens when you don't clean out before you go grocery shopping, because we have shrimp, and now we just bought more.
And we got to clean up.
Chase, get up, just go. So yeah.
You still mad at